Hello children, today in Mathematics for Standard 4, we are going to learn a new lesson, patterns. What is a pattern? A pattern is the same thing that repeats over and over again. So as you can see the example over here, there is a dog and then a cat. Again there is a dog and a cat. And this way it is repeating over and over again. Similarly, over here also you can see in the picture, the pattern is repeating. What is the meaning of repeating pattern? A repeating pattern repeats over and over again using the same pattern unit. So as you can see the examples given over here, there is a dog, then a cat, then again a dog, a cat, and this way the pattern unit is being repeated. Now let us revise what you have learned earlier in the previous standard. Complete the pattern. Look at each pattern below and then use the box on the right to complete the pattern. So as you can see over here in the first one, we have two hearts and then a circle and again a two hearts. So which will be the next shape which will be over there? Yes, it will be the circle. Similarly, the next one, a star is given, then a square, again a star, a square, again a star. So the next pattern will be of a square. The next sum, the moon, again two circles, again a crescent moon is given, again a circle. So the next will be again a circle. The next one, again it is a flower, a crescent moon, a triangle. So again a flower is there, then a crescent moon is there, and then a triangle will be there. The last one, a star is given, two triangles are given, again a star is given. So the next will be the pattern of a triangle. Now this is a gate. If you see, the first set of pattern which is given is different. Then again it is followed by a separate unit of pattern, and then again a separate pattern is given. So we'll see few more examples. Tina and Meena were going home. On the way, they saw some people making the pavement. The tiles used were of different colors and designs. This is what they saw. So as you can see in the picture over there, there are different colors and designs used for the tiles. On reaching home, they saw their mother's sari hanging on a rope. It also had a nice design with different colors. So as you can see in the picture. In the evening, they were playing in a park. They saw iron grills on the boundary wall. Looking at the grills, Tina said, "These same grills make a different pattern in our windows at home." We see many such patterns around us on tiles, clothes, grills, bed sheets, curtains, etc. Binu has eaten a part of the shawl of Tina's mother. Now Binu is a name of a rat, what it is given over here. Look at the picture and help Tina in matching which piece is of the same pattern. So here is the shawl and the piece of it is being eaten by Binu, the rat. So which pattern is matching over here? Yes, it is the pattern which is marked. So that is the same piece of pattern which is matching. Geometric patterns. Now here again is an example given. As you can see that there are different patterns which are being formed in the gate. Now this is a mat. If you see the mat, here also different patterns are being formed. A box which is having a plus sign, you can say, and then it is first it is the 4 boxes are there, and then it is 5 boxes are there. Again it is a repeating pattern. 4 boxes are there, then 5, and then again 4. So the pattern is being repeating it over and over again. Now let us solve this. A pattern is given which is not completed, and the child has to complete the pattern. So how will the child do it? Using the different geometric patterns. Yes, so it will complete it using the remaining patterns which are there already in the design. Like where triangles are there, it will fill in the triangles. Where the square is there, it will fill in the square, and the color and the design will be repeated over and over again. Complete the patterns given below. So here a set of pattern is given. So you have to complete it, which will be the following of it, which will be repeated over and over again. Similarly, we'll see one more example. Yes. So here also one pattern is given, and we continue the pattern again with the same design. One more is given to us, and we repeat the pattern over and over again, and this way we complete the patterns. Shapes patterns. Now what is the meaning of this? We'll understand. Different shapes are given, like a diamond shape is given, an hexagon and a circle. So similarly the pattern will repeat again. Again there will be a diamond shape, a hexagon and a circle. So which will be the next pattern which will be after this? The shape. Yes, it will be the diamond shape. We'll see one more example. A triangle is there, square, a hexagon is there, and a circle. So again it will be the repeated thing only. The shapes will be repeated. A smiley face is there and a heart is there. So again a smiley face and a heart. And after the heart, yes, it will be the smiley face. Freehand shapes. So when a particular design is given to us, which is done in a freehand shape, it will be repeated again the similar way. Like a flower shape will be repeated with the flowers and the leaves, and the pattern will be completed. Similarly, a design is given over here also, which is a freehand shape, and it will be continued in the similar way. Same way it is given for the last example also, and it has been completed using the same pattern where it is repeating over and over again. Patterns in multiplication tables. Write the 2 times table till 2 15s are, that is 30. So we'll write the tables from 2 zeros are 0 to 2 15s are 30. Now let us look at the digits in the units place from 2 zeros are 0 up to 2 15s are 30. Find the pattern. So if you see over here, it is already written in the red color in the units place. The pattern in the digit in the units place of table 2 is 02468. Again it is repeating 02468, and again it has been repeated 02468, and it goes on and on. So this way the pattern is the same, which is repeating over and over again. We'll see one more example. Look at 5 times table. 5 ones is 5 till we write the table 5 15s are. Find the pattern in the digit in the units place of this table. Is there a pattern in the tens digit in this table? So let us find out. So we wrote the table 5 zeros are 0 till 5 15s are 75. Again the red color which is there is the units place of the number, and if you see, it is forming a pattern. The pattern in the digit in the units place of table 5 is, it is 505050, and it is repeating it till 5 15s are 75. And yes, there is a pattern in the tens digit of the table 5 also. That is, it is 1 1, again 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6, 7 7, and so on. Complete the multiplication given below. Find a pattern in the products. If you see over here, 6 tens is 60, 6 hundreds is 600, 6 thousands is 6,000, 6 10,000s is 60,000. So the zeros are being increasing if you see the pattern. The pattern in the products is 0. First it is 0, then it is 2 zeros are there, then 3 zeros, and then 4 zeros are given, and so on it repeats. The next sum, multiply 37 by 3, 6, 9, and so on till 27 in that order. Observe the patterns in the products. So if you multiply 37 by 3, you will get the answer 111. That is 111. If you multiply 37 multiplied by 6, you will get 222, 222. 37 nines is 333. 37 12s is 444. 37 15s is 555. 37 18s is 666, and so on it repeats. So the pattern in the products is 111, that is 111, 222, 222, 333, 333, 444, that is 444, then 555, that is 555, 666, that is 666, and so on. But you can see it's in a series which is going on, the pattern. Complete the pattern. So here they have given you the missing number you have to fill in. So 1 is given, the first one, 1 is given, 3 is given, 5 and 7. So the next number will be, yes, it will be 9. The next is given that there is a gap of 10 numbers, that is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So which is the number which is missing? Yes, it will be 80. 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. So next number will be 39. Again over here a table is given 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the number which is missing will be, yes, it will be 35. 40. The number which is missing will be 45, 50, and the number which is missing will be 55. I hope so you have understood the lesson and enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye.